Just fell off out of the middle of the blue. Okay, I think one of the hardest things in Vietnam is the last of Vietnam. Okay, normally I don't do this, but I'm getting ready to leave Vietnam here. And it's been a full month of crossing it, or 28 days I should say. So each week I've posted a week of where I've been and what I've ridden. And I'm putting the maps in now that show the, show the direction I've been in, show what that one is. At the end of the month or so, I'm gonna put the budget at the very end of the video, which kind of shows what I spent and where I spent it and how I spent it. You can kind of scroll through it and then see what is spent where, hotels, etc. So also the weather, how that changes, staying in hotels or just cities that I have to go to pick up bike parts or something else, and I have to stay in a hotel or something else. It's all going to be documented so people can get a clue why and what. So this is just to enter the video. Like I say, it's been 28 days, so about close to 2,000 kilometers across Vietnam now. Short trip, but we're entering China, so we're going to be behind the Great Wall of China internet, so I have to post this and get this online. Otherwise, maybe I won't be posting for a while, or see how the VPN works. Like I said in the last little bit, it's been traveling around Vietnam for about 28 days now. Everything's been going good. Well, we did have rain, we did have storms. It's just the way it goes. Let's enjoy. Wow, completely gone since last year when I was here. Completely taken out the whole building. Good vegan, vegetarian food in Vietnam. A hostel breakfast. Vegetarian soup today. In case you ever need to go shopping in hell or something like that. These markets are fun, but at the same time, hell to move around in. And don't even think of bargaining. Nice kebab for dinner. Have all my revives, my donut holes, a couple of beers, good to go.
What are they not?
Streets, sell, police, otherwise they take away. Police is coming.
No selling.
No selling in the streets, no selling in there. It's coming, the police. Up, second one coming. Everybody all running quickly. Run. Run. No street sellers. Run. Oh. Oh, they're gonna get caught. Yep. Besides, which one? Which one are you gonna get? Run them around the corner, run back and forth. Ooh, he's full. He got the whole chicken cart.
Yeah, áo dài and có chứ ạ. Có xong đấy lại chứ ạ.
Sometimes you just gotta eat something a little different. Train Street. Train Street after the train passes. Get out of the way, tourist! Church. Night. Lots of traffic still. That's because the main road is blocked off.
시간에서 뒤척이는 내 마음에 소모하게 나 이대로 또 괜찮지만 내가 난 다시 그 확실해 You too much You too much 시간에서 뒤척이는 내 마음에 소모하게 나 이대로 또 괜찮지만 무슨 말이든 해줄 거야 You too much You too much 느끼는 행복해 가끔은 멋지 않게 돈이 날 살고 거지 멋진 적 없어 돈이 지켜도 주머니 산다로 따뜻한 눈으로 춤췄지 마이클 잭슨처럼 나는
Oh, the police is coming again. The police is coming. Gotta move quickly. The
No.
police is coming.
Wala.
The police is coming. Take your stuff away.
Wala. How?
Hide your carts. Hide the carts. Hide the cart. Just turning like everywhere else. Main Market Street. Moving all the stalls down here. Closing up all the little street people. Making it so it's businesses like this so the government can charge taxes. Alright, back to the road. Grinding the gauntlet out of town. This is the part that's always fun. Old bridge, full of traffic, new bridge, one day done. Okay, sitting here on the side of the road, realize my tire's going flat slowly again, so I'm gonna have to check that before I get on the highway the rest of the way coming out of town. So, gotta put the bike over and take off the tire. Okay, after a few hours of adjusting and cleaning, I had to change this tire to the front. You can see it's bald, it's even starting to show through. So that's why it's going flat so easily. I had to change it to the back tire, and then the back tire to the front. And we had a few other little issues that I had to clean up. I do got to loosen a few bolts, cleaned up the bike a bit, repacked around a little bit. So I'm gonna quickly eat something and then get back on the road. One of the things I got to remind myself of many a time, stuff doesn't last forever. Tires wear out, brakes wear out, chains wear out, different things wear out. And I'm pretty bad about my maintenance and changing stuff early on. I usually try to ride it to as many kilometers as I can get out of stuff before I start changing stuff. Probably should change that habit to a little bit, something a little better. Pet flowers. Flowers for Tet. Mostly orchids. And of course the orange trees. Alright, I pulled into this little spot. It's just off the road. Road is down there. There's a little gazebo over there, but not good to get to, so the two trees are better for hanging. So I'm gonna hang here on the trees, call it a night, because it's getting close to dark time. Okay, the highway is just over there, but I'm well up off the highway. And there's a nice little place here where I'm camped in. I'll have to take a shot in the morning. And that's a beautiful place with a little gazebo over there. Me and my friend Mark, solo bikepacker, are gonna start having competition of who can find the best hidden campsite or just campsite period. We're gonna probably have to grade it in a couple of categories. Who finds the most beautiful campsite, who finds the most hidden campsite, so on and so forth. Yesterday I quickly switched the two tires around, the back tire and the front tire, because this one is worn out so much I'm starting to see the blue trend. But that's not where the real problem is. The real problem is the inner tubes. Once they get like this, they usually slip and slide, so they start tearing the inner tube apart. I'll show you that in a minute. But I gotta work on the bike before I hit the road. Just in case you ever wonder how the map system works, it's just like sometimes, okay, this is your turn-off road? You really gotta wonder about the map systems. Just brings you to sometimes a road that ends. Definitely something wrong with this map system right now. Or the countryside, whichever. But I think it's the map system. I mean, those are okay trails, But this is definitely not a road. And again, here it's going to dirt, so I gotta beg to wonder what's going on. I mean, I love shortcuts like the next guy, but come on. Gotta go up a hill like this and it's all gravel. What's going on here, maps? Okay, crank arm just fell off out of the middle of the blue. That's funny. Lunch finally today. Get some calm and a drink and then load up on the way out of here. Okay, we've started the climb into the mountains, which will head to the Freedom Pass into China. Okay, a little stop for drinks. Oh, okay, doesn't go to half. Interesting. Okay, the last few odd kilometers to the Chinese border on the Asia Highway 1 again. So soon we should reach the border and then we'll see what we get from there. Have to post and do everything because otherwise we're behind the Great Wall of China Internet. Building the roads. Soon we'll have a belt road. Stall selling sugar cane all along the roadway, so this must be the biggest thing they sell here. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a little bit of food and then it's up to the border from here, about 4 more kilometers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and upload this video and get it out of my way, just because otherwise I don't know what's gonna happen at the border. Last meal, Vietnam. Get some snacks. Just like and subscribe to us.